Hey guys, this is going to be more walkthrough solves. So for this scramble, I'm going to do cross on white, obviously. This red just needs an R prime, that just needs an F2, that needs an L2, and then this will get kicked out here, and then I can move it here and bring it down. So the first thing I'm going to do is R prime F2 L2. So that does this, and then I'm going to move this over here and bring that down. So now cross is done. And then the first thing I see is this. So L prime U2 L, and then remove insert. And then I see this, do that, and insert. And then I don't see anything, so I rotate, and I see this. So move it out of the way, rotate, pair it up, insert, and then I see this. So that. And then wide soon and bad J perm. So for this one, I'm going to do cross on white again, because this is, all of these pieces are solved relative to each other, like they're really easy to solve. The red is here, which means blue should be here, and that blue is right there. And then red opposite orange, orange is right there, and the green is right there. So if I insert the orange like this, I can insert the blue and the green, and then do a D prime to finish cross. And then the first thing I see is this, the orange blue. So I move it here, I put the pairs apart, and then I insert, and then while I was doing that, this pair got preserved. So I just insert that pair, and then this pair, I'll U2 L prime, so it's set up for a 3-move insert, and then this, and then insert. This OLL, and easy J perm. So for this one, I'll do cross on white again. So this is opposite, this is also opposite, this one is solved, and this one is not solved or opposite. So I'm going to bring the blue down, and then put this orange across from the red. So bring the blue down, do a D prime, and then do R prime to bring the orange across from the red. But before I do that, I see this thing is like that, so I could do an F2 and force an X cross. So doing the F2 solves this edge, and this corner was solved when I put in the orange. So that gives you this 2x2 block, and then I insert the green, so that's an X cross. And then I see this pair. So L prime U2 L and insert. And then this pair, break it up and insert it. And then this is solved, so just kick it out of the spot and then insert. Anti-soon, F perm. So for this scramble, I would do cross on yellow. So the green and the blue are opposite. This is like the green and the blue are opposite relative to each other. This is opposite. That one, if you do a B prime, will be solved, like will be with the red. So I do a B prime to match these two up, and then I do an R prime F. So the orange is down here, and then since orange is here, that means this should be blue. So I do D prime, M prime, D prime, and then rotate D prime, R prime for cross. And then I see this, triple sexy, and then this. And then that sets it up for a 3-move insert. This case, rotate, insert, and then this case, this here, insert, and then this case, this OL, and R prime. Whoa. So for this one, I would do a cross on white. So these two are solved, and then these two are like that. So if I do an F2, the orange will be here, and this green will be up here. So F2, and then if I move this green over here, and then I insert the orange, this will be matched up. So I do an F to finish cross, and then I see this, the green orange. So like that, pair it up, and insert, and then I have this. So I just break them apart and insert, and then this gets solved, so I rotate and I insert, and then this is already set up for a 3-move insert, so I just insert it, and then OLL skip, and then G perm. That was a lucky solve. So that was 5 more example solves.